I can't answer questions. I can't answer any of your questions. I can't answer any of your questions. Well, the name belongs to the state, but they call me David.
Step out the vehicle.
Why?
Because I'm telling you to step out of the vehicle.
I've broken no law, sir.
Out of the vehicle now.
How are you upholding your oath of office right now? Private person. Private man, not person. A private man. I'm not a public official. I'm not a public person.
This man tried to talk his way out of a routine traffic stop, using fake legal arguments and made-up documents. Spoiler, it didn't go well. The state trooper actually gave him more chances than most would, but he kept digging himself deeper. Totally convinced he didn't have to follow the law. It's like he was acting out a script he found online. You have to wonder, does he really believe this stuff? Or was he just trying anything to avoid a ticket? Let's take a look. It all starts with him saying,
Evening, sir. Courtroom, South Carolina Highway Patrol. I stopped you because you ain't got no tag on this vehicle. You got your license, registration, proof of insurance?
No tag?
Yeah.
There should be a tag back there.
There ain't none.
I just got in the car. The tag was on.
Ain't no tag on there now. Are you kidding me? You got your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I can't answer questions. I can't answer any of your questions. I can't answer any of your questions.
Don't answer questions. Fast forward a minute, and he's talking nonstop like. He's on a courtroom drama. So much for staying silent, right? He avoids questions like it's a contest. Then suddenly starts giving out personal...
Alright, what's your name?
I can't answer the questions.
Well, here's what's going to happen. You can give me your name, date of birth, I can go run through the system, I can write you a couple of tickets, or you can refuse to identify yourself and you will be taken to jail. The choice is yours.
What charge would I be charged with?
Right now, failure to identify, willful interference with the issuance of a writ, operating a vehicle that's not registered. So are you going to provide me your name and date of birth?
Well, the name belongs to the state, but they call me David.
Alright, what's your last name?
My family name? Mm-hmm. The last name also belongs to the state.
What's that?
Martin.
Daniel Martin, what's your date of birth?
No, I didn't say Daniel.
What'd you say?
It was David.
David Martin?
They call me David.
Alright, what's your date of birth?
I remember you. What'd you say? The date of birth. October the 20th.
I'll go get some paper and write some stuff down.
So why did he just immediately go back? Did I just grant him something?
What was that date of birth again, Mr. Martin?
The person's date of birth is October 25th.
10/24, what year?
25th.
25th? What year was that?
Alright. Info, like it's no big deal. Let's see if he's still that chatty when the topic turns to insurance. The officer gives him an easy out. Just name someone for the paperwork. Instead, the guy turns it into a confusing mess.
You got any insurance on this vehicle?
I can't answer your questions.
Okay, that's enough. Who you want to tow it?
Huh?
Who you want to come tow it?
Nobody.
It's getting towed. I can either call one or you can tell me you want to come get it.
Well, since you're gonna twist my arm, I guess turkeys will do.
Alright.
No one asked for. It's like watching someone lose a race they were running alone. Anyway, a few minutes later, the trooper returns with a stack of tickets in hand. It's not looking good. Apparently, the driver thought he could sneak off when no one was watching. But he guessed wrong.
Alright. Operating a non-registered vehicle is a $155 fine. Court dated July 1st, 2021 at the Cherokee County Courthouse in Gaffney, South Carolina. You ain't got no driver's license. That's a $232 ticket. You ain't got no insurance. That's a $355 ticket, same court date, mandatory court appearance. There's a tow slip for turkeys. We're waiting on them now.
Now he's pulled over again, not far from where it started. At this point, the officer's patience is gone. If you can't follow basic instructions and you keep driving like nothing happened, you don't need to be on the road. Letting him keep...
Evening, Triple Courtroom, South Carolina Highway Patrol. I stopped you for no tag on this vehicle. You got your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. You gonna identify yourself to me or not?
Am I suspected of a crime?
If the right to travel script didn't work for you the last time, what in the world makes you think it's going to work on the same trooper who, not 5 minutes ago, dropped a bunch of citations in your lap?
Hey, fam, you want to come 25 with me? Who do you want to tow the car?
I don't want anybody to tow the car.
Okay, well, somebody's towing the car.
For what reason?
Because you ain't got no insurance, you ain't got no license.
I'm not required to have that.
Yes, you are.
If you don't say so, I'm telling you.
All right, step out the vehicle.
Why?
Step out the vehicle.
Why?
Because I'm telling you to step out of the vehicle.
I've broken no law, sir.
Out of the vehicle now.
And you know all the information that you've already asked me.
Getting out the car. Come on.
Driving would be like handing tools to someone with no idea how to use them the first time. The trooper didn't waste time shutting down his right to travel speech. So what made him think bringing a packet of printouts would change anything? Print...
Paying for it. Non-emergent.
Always something.
All right, step out the car.
I can't get out of the car.
Yes, you can. Negative, non-emergent, non-emergent. Nope.
That's for you.
Nope. Step out the car.
Printing legal documents doesn't make you a lawyer. It just means you have a printer. Trying to use the Constitution to excuse driving without a license, a registration, or insurance. That's not how it works. But those handcuffs? Those are very real. And the officer...
So you don't want the paperwork?
All right. This is your last opportunity to step out of the car. You're going to be charged with interfering with the issuance of a writ.
Can I ask you why I need to step out of the car?
Because you were being instructed by a duly appointed law enforcement officer to exit the vehicle. And Pennsylvania v. Mann states that you have to exit the car upon command of a law enforcement official. And I'm telling you to exit the car, you're refusing to exit the car.
If I'm suspected of a crime.
You are driving a car on the highways in South Carolina. I'm telling you to exit the vehicle, you are not exiting the vehicle.
Okay.
Nope.
U.S. Constitution, Article 1, clearly states the government makes rules for the government, not the people. Statutes only apply to state-created creatures. These are all Supreme Court cases, since you wanted to quote one yourself.
There isn't playing games. When the trooper says, "Get out of the car or go to jail," it's not a trick question. And with backup on the way, the only thing left to see is whether this guy steps out calmly or has to be helped.
All right, at this point, you're being charged with interference with the issuance of a writ, failure to identify, operating uninsured, no South Carolina, driving under suspension, and no insurance.
You want me to get out so you can write me a ticket?
Nope, you're getting to jail. So, step out the
Is
car.
that what issuance of a writ means?
Yep, step out the car.
That I'm getting a ticket?
No, now you're going to jail because you don't want to get out the car. So
I'm asking you.
Out of the car now. We're not debating this.
No, I just need clarification.
Step out of the car.
If you need me to step out
Step out of the car now.
originally for an issuance of a writ.
No, because you failed to identify.
I said
Failed to
originally.
follow off your commands, and now you're just adding more to it.
I'm not trying to.
Then step out of the car.
I'm trying to understand what's going on here.
You're being told to exit the vehicle. You're not complying. Step out of the car.
But I don't have to do that for you
Yes,
to
you
write
do.
me a ticket.
Out.
Upon command,
Around this
you're to exit the
time,
vehicle.
passenger picks up the phone to keep recording. Might be his friend. Maybe just another person who buys into the same theories. Either way, it's rare to get this much footage, so we get a fuller picture of how it ends. The only strategy Here's thinking he could outsmart a South Carolina state.
Do you have your bonding information on you?
Step out of the car.
I need a business card too.
Step out of the car.
So you're not gonna comply?
You are not compliant. Step out of the car.
I'm not the government official. I'm not the public. I'm not the public official. You are.
All right. I got another officer en route.
Why?
Because you're being non-compliant at this point.
I'm still not understanding.
Step out of the car.
Love you, sweetie. Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
How are you upholding your oath of office right now?
What's that?
How are you upholding your oath of office right now?
I am enforcing the traffic laws of the state of South Carolina.
On a private person, private man, not person, a private man. I'm not a public official. I'm not a public person.
We've been through this before. You know the routine.
Exactly. So I don't understand why you came up asking me all these questions when you already know the answer to them.
Still your duty to identify. You're refusing. So.
Trooper. Now he's in handcuffs wondering what went wrong. It's not complicated. He ignored the law, and it caught up with him, just like we thought. It ends with him arrested and still insisting his rights were violated. It always amazes me these.
I'm only have to identify if I'm suspected of a crime.
Step out of the car now. You're about to be extracted from the vehicle.
That's just more charges for you.
This is your last opportunity to exit the vehicle.
Now get out under duress.
Out of the car.
Under duress.
Don't matter.
It's yours to figure out where I'm freaking going.
Man, stay seated. You stay seated.
For what?
Sit in the car.
Get the car.
There's no reason for me to be in the car.
Get the car because you got to go with the tow truck, alright?
Everything you punch that cut first stick or hurt me.
Hey, tell Turkey I'll come pay him.
No, we can't stop the race. You tell me who you want to tow it.
Call Turkey.
Oh, too late. Next stop the race.
So he's refusing to call the people that I want.
Folks memorize random court cases, but forget that driving legally requires a license and insurance. So what do you think? Did the officer handle this the right way? Or should it have ended even faster. Personally, I think the trooper kept his cool and did his job. These stops are starting to feel more like failed legal performances than actual traffic stops. If you're going to quote the Constitution, at least learn how traffic laws work.